Hi, everyone. Confirmation bias is one of those terms that, at least to me, sounds like what it means. It's the human tendency to seek out, interpret, and remember information that confirms our pre existing opinions and beliefs, while we ignore and dismiss the information that does not. Take, for instance, this diagram. Let's just make that person in the red circle me. I've got my beliefs and my opinions in my hand. And in the blue circle is all the information known to humanity about subjects related to my beliefs and opinions. Yet when I look into the blue circle, my brain actively filters out, ignores, or dismisses the negative pieces of information, those that do not confirm my beliefs and opinions, and accepts those pieces of information that do. And the end result of this is these overlapping parts of the two circles, which represent what I think is the truth, but is what is actually only a fraction of the information. Here's another example. That's me, blue dot in the purple dot in the thought circle above my head. All around me is all the information known to humanity about the subjects relating to my beliefs and opinions. And my brain is tuned in such a way that it will ignore the green squares while only paying attention and weighting heaviest the purple dots. So again, what happens is I believe the truth is the purple dot, when in fact the truth is far more complicated than that. The puzzle you were given to solve at the beginning of this mini lesson was created by psychologists who were trying to discover the origins of confirmation theory. What they discovered was not counterintuitive to our day-to-day experience. They found that human beings prefer the positive to the negative. We like the word yes more than we like the word no. You'll remember that this puzzle was based on a sequence of numbers, 2, 4, and 8, to which you were to discover the rule that caused that sequence of numbers. You could enter any test sequence of numbers and discover from the software that was built for the puzzle if that sequence fell under the rule or did not. 77% of the people that successfully completed this puzzle only entered sequences of numbers that were positive. This is not statistically what you would expect. You would expect some sequences that were negative and some sequences that were positive at about a 50-50 rate. Instead, you've got 77% of the people only entering sequences for which they would receive the word yes. 9% of the people who solved the puzzle successfully entered sequences of numbers that were negative 3 or more times. That tells us that human beings are wired to try and problem solve in the positive. What does that mean? That means when we have certain beliefs and opinions and we're in circle A, all we can see in circle B are things that affirm those beliefs and opinions. This is not a big problem at a personal level. You may find yourself making an occasional bad decision. But when a whole society, as ours does today, prefers belief and opinion over fact, we run the risk of making decisions that will be catastrophic for us and the people around us. So I want you to consider how you encounter confirmation bias each day. Think about where you see it happening online, in social media, in the classroom, between conversations you have with friends. And then get in the habit of calling into question your own acceptance of only those facts which confirm your beliefs or opinions, and how you negate, ignore, dismiss those facts that do not. Have a good one.